So Akashic records की जब हम बात करते हैं, because it's a very fancy word for me. So when I understand Akashic record, can you tell me a step by step process? Let's suppose I come to you seeking
Yeah.
answer कि यार पूजा प्राची मेरे को नहीं पता है कि ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, why I suddenly shifted into this profession, and then I want to help people make best of their life. ये क्या हो गया, मतलब क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ ऐसा?
So usually what happens is some people come to us, saying what their problems. They come to us
हाँ,
with the problems
process.
कि ये ऐसा है. Then what we just listen, consult, and we tell them that okay, ये तुम्हारा problem है, ये patterns है. तो समझ में आ जाता है हमको, because we are Akashic readers, Akashic record readers. तो हमको समझ में आता है कि इसका तो Akashic record में आराम से मिल जाएगा. So we suggest them to take a session with us, and once the payment and everything is done, we arrange a Zoom call. तो ऐसे offline की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है इसके लिए, तो online session हो जाता है. I just require the person's legal name and the date of birth, and through that there is a process to access Akashic records. So of course there is a pre and post rituals also for Akashic. So protection हो गया, guidance हो गया, invoking हो गया, वो सब करके then there is a process to get into Akashic records. वो realm में जाने के लिए एक process होता है that we do. And then उनके questions like consultation में ही उनके questions हमने jot down किए रहते हैं. The only this thing is the important is how you ask questions in the realm once you access the Akashic records.
Does the person need to ask the question?
No, we ask, because
Okay.
I am going into their past life.
Correct.
I am opening their Akashic
Correct.
records,
With
right?
their
So
permission.
with their permission. So they have given me permission. They have given me the
Correct,
details.
consent.
Then I start the process of going into the Akashic record cosmic library. I open their Akashic records and then I start asking the question. And once I ask, I start getting the downloads. So जैसे downloads आता है, I start telling the clients. I tell them to note down, because I go in a other realm, so there is a possibility that when I come back, there are certain things I might not remember. तो जैसे जैसे डाउनलोड आता है, मे बी कौन से ईयर का मुझे दिख रहा है, मुझे क्या दिख रहा है, टेल क्लाइंट जैसे मैं बोलते जाओ, लिखते जाओ करके. So that person, that is my way. Other people might have different way, but my way is that then they write it down, and as soon as I come back, I also write down certain things, whatever I remember, so that अगर उनसे कुछ मिस हुआ रहेगा तो ये. Then I have to close the records, come back, in between I tell them, do you have any other questions before closing? Do you have any questions? They say yes, no. Based on that I close. I ask for the remedies also, okay, this is what you have given me, what is something that they need to do to heal this. Then I get certain answers. Sometimes it's like, it's a prarabdha, they have to go. Or sometimes I get that, they need to do this, they need to let go. The lesson is only to let go. The lesson of this life, why they are facing this is maybe, they need to learn forgiveness. वैसे. And then I close the book and I come back. And then I tell them, okay, this is what, And जैसे जैसे वो download भी मिलता है, they resonate, okay, yes. And sometimes वो evidence spirit guides भी देते हैं, तो कुछ चीज़ें जो उन्होंने नहीं बताई होगी मे बी पास्ट की, तो वो भी आ जाता है कभी कभी. okay, have you faced this thing in your past, वैसे. Then they resonate.
So can I pause you? Once you are into that, let's suppose say reading before you close the door, at that point of time you cannot interact with the client, right?
No, we can.
We can.
Yes,
So if the client, let's suppose say says in reading के बीच में कि मुझे ये question आया है, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
So starting में जो लिख के ले लिए वो तो you already have.
Yeah.
But reading के बीच में if I tell you कि I want to know about this thing as well, so you can.
Yeah. Because sometimes we get some downloads which we might have not even spoken during consultation, and then I have to ask them, okay, I'm getting this. Is it something, is this your behavior? Was this your behavior? Or was there a person who used to behave with you like this? ऐसे कुछ आ जाता है download.
Yes.
Then they relate, oh यहाँ ऐसे हो रहा था. फिर वो डॉट्स कनेक्ट करने पड़ते हैं उनके, क्या रिकॉर्ड रीडिंग में.
डोर जब क्लोज हो जाता है उसके बाद भी कभी रीडिंग आई है?
नहीं.
एक बार
समटाइम्स होता है, लाइक मुझे कि बाद में डाउनलोड्स आते रहते हैं, बट रेयर, लाइक बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग दैट. स्टार्ट
डाउनलोड्स तभी आते, डोर क्लोज होने के बाद नहीं, बट बिफोर वी गो टू द रेल्म देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटीज. कभी कभी कंसल्टेशन के टाइम भी तो हमको डाउनलोड्स ऑलरेडी आने लग जाते हैं, बट एज अ एथिकली यू हैव टू गो and ask for Archangel Metatron for the book, and then you have to go with the procedure, though you get downloads कि हाँ ऐसा ही हुआ रहेगा वगैरह वैसा.
जैसे मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ है कि मेरे पास 1-2 क्लाइंट्स आए थे और जब कंसल्टेशन के टाइम पे ही मुझे ना दिखने ही लगा, मुझे सेंस होने ही लगा कि ये हुआ है, ये हुआ है, ये हुआ है. But I cannot tell that, you know, ethics, as per the spiritual ethics, as per Akashic record reading ka ethics, I cannot just go and tell them I tell them that, you know, I'm getting certain downloads, but let's do it officially when I go into the request. And I then do the process and I get the same download. And then I start asking, and then people
So you
resonate.
answer between the session.
Yeah, but that is, you know, when you do a lot of sadhanas and you do a lot of practice,
got
not at the initial stage, unless you are, you know, you have that born gifts. Some people जिनका बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा है
activated रहता है तो.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.